always amazes me how they can talk to you normally and make cognitive sentences, but they cannot control their movements.
I was thinking that exact same thing.
It frustrates me, but it also intrigues me.
What's the location of your emergency?
The alley between South Burgess and Richardson, the 200 block, on the south side of the 200 block north of Fremont.
Okay.
There is a woman who appears to be in distress. She's laying in the alley and flailing about, and has been for. Well, we just got home and pulled into our garage and saw her. She's down further away from us, but was kind of just rolling around and flailing her arms and doesn't seem to be in possession of her faculties.
Okay. What does she look like? Do you know?
She's very thin, female, very thin, wearing jeans, and looks like maybe a black sports bra. She's standing now and kind of running between the sides of the alleys. She has long, kind of reddish blonde hair.
Okay, we'll get her some help, okay?
Thank you so much.
Bye.
By that plant.
I heard that already. I'm good,
I had a female act like this just last week. Exact.
Same girl?
No.
Radio 192-193.
Yeah. I'm good, baby.
192.
Everyone's nasty, man.
193.
So it's a nasty drug.
16 at Walgreens, 2770 West Broad.
That's what she said she did?
Holder.
Yeah.
I'm good, baby.
What do you got in your bra right there? Lift up your right arm for
Partially
me.
plugged in the entrance.
Right on.
There's something in there.
Hey, take that cigarette pack out of her. Go ahead and take that out.
Sorry.
Drop that.
Yeah, I'm good, baby.
193, I copy.
Where's her other shoe at?
She must have started that way.
Here it is. Put your other kick on for me if you can.
Huh?
Put your other kick on.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Nothing. I gave you a shoe back. Put your other shoe on.
I'm putting you on. Thank you, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much. Oh, come on, you little doing things are hard to get off.
Did you by chance tell them to come in from the north? Did you tell them to come in from the north?
I did not.
Yep.
192. 192. People have a flat tire and they're waiting for help. It's called EPC.
One on four.
Yes, it was. I'll do that inside. Hey, firm.
194.
What's your name, girlfriend?
Elizabeth Nicole.
Can you advise the medics to come in from the
Mrs.
north?
Elizabeth?
Think you can tie that shoe?
I'm trying to get,
Let's see if you can do
trying
that.
to get you over here. Yeah.
Let's see how this goes.
You smoke crack?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're not in any trouble. It's just so the medics can help you, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, honey.
They mix it with Fetty? Yeah?
Money machine, baby.
They cut it with Fetty?
Huh?
They cut it with Fetty?
No.
They did something. Do you always react this way to it?
No.
Yeah, so it's a little stronger than normal, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How long ago did you do it?
Actually about 20 minutes ago.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Where'd you get it?
Huh?
Where'd you get it from?
What'd she say her name was?
Elizabeth Nicole.
Elizabeth. Hey, Elizabeth, do you have anything like needles or anything on
No,
you?
no.
So when the medics show up, you're not going to hurt them, are you?
No.
Okay.
No, sir. I don't hurt nobody.
Saw what I got there, right?
What was in there? Oh, okay.
Nobody involved.
Man, you're acting this way just by smoking it? That's strong.
Yeah.
Because your tolerance is high. I've met you before. So I'm telling you, it was cut with something, girlfriend.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I never act like this.
No, you haven't. But like I don't know if you heard me say, I had a female last week that was exactly the way you were, and she found out it was cut. So,
Oh, okay. See, yeah, no.
but she was talking to me normal, just like you are. She just can't control what's going on. That's cool.
Dana, this prescription.
Yeah. I wish.
I got some local prescriptions.
See ya?
Just not comfortable with them.
Yeah. Uh-oh. You got Ganua in there?
Huh?
You got a little Ganua in there, a little dirt?
Billy Button.
That's amazing, man, how you can see that and still move around like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's still really
Yeah, it's crazy.
shaky.
Yeah.
I can see that dirt.
I see something in there.
Yeah, a lot of dirt. A lot of dirt. I'm crazy.
She's got fuzz in her belly button. She's
Dirt,
trying to get
not
out.
fuzz,
Oh,
dirt.
dirt.
Dirt. Yeah, dirt in belly button. That's driving anybody in. Yeah, dirt.
You got a knot in your hair?
I got some little, like he said, the plant was attacked. It's, oh, what the
You
hell?
got a rubber band in your hair, sweetheart.
Ah. The medic supervisor's here. He's got his guys coming in, okay?
Okay. Who's that?
You're probably gonna go to the hospital though, all right?
I don't want to hospital.
Yeah, but you're met. You can't just be walking out here.
Cool. I mean, I can walk and everything.
You're getting 150 calls
I
on
live
you.
right here in Hagen Broad.
I'm just telling you what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I don't want to go to the hospital.
It doesn't matter.
Go to my house. My grandma's over there, and my kids and my.
At this point, we'll just have to bring the cot up.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Well, hello there.
Hi, honey.
Let's not try and pull the hair out.
Which one are you looking, sir? Which one are you
Done great.
on?
L2, she can walk a little bit.
I can
Never
walk
mind,
quickly.
there. You stand for me?
Yeah, I'm staying
We're
for
walking
you.
this way. All
Yeah,
right.
no, I can walk
So you
on
took some crack? Is that what you smoked?
Yeah.
You smoked? How long ago did you smoke?
About 23 minutes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Smoke some crack as we roll around the alleyway.
Heading freeway to Channel 4.
It always amazes me how they can talk to you normally and make cognitive sentences, but they cannot control their movements.
I was thinking that exact same thing.
It frustrates me, but it also intrigues me.
I'm more fixated on the intriguing part.
Yeah,